With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, water is not required in fertilization of. Options given are Dioteris, Selaginella, Vallisneria, Pisum or maize. So if we'll see option one by one, first one is the Dioteris and second one is the Selaginella. So both Dioteris as well as a Selaginella, these belongs to the plants that is called as a bryophytes. So these are both are bryophytes, and as we all know, bryophytes, their gametes are motile. Bryophytes are having the motile gamete. They are having the motile gametes. So motile gametes, these motile gametes, they are released in the water. Fusion or fertilization that takes place externally, that takes place in the water. So fertilization in the case of these two, that takes place in the water. It results in the formation of the zygote and which develop into the sporophyte. So both Dioteris and Selaginella, they need the water. In the question they have asked which is not required, so it become an incorrect option. Next we are having the Vallisneria. So if we'll see about the Vallisneria, it is a, here we can, Vallisneria, that is a submerged hydrophytes. Vallisneria is the submerged hydrophytes. In this hydrophyte, what happen is that the pollens, these are being released into the water. They float, male flower detached on maturity and float on the surface of water, while female flower grow under the water. So male flower which are floating on the surface of water, they fall into a cup due to a jerk, and the anther dehisces and the pollens are transferred to the stigma. So in this way also pollination, that is the, in the case of the Vallisneria, pollinations occur by means of water. Pollination, if pollination that is occurs by means of water, it means water is required for the fertilization, because water acts as a means for the transfer of pollen from anther to the stigma. So in this way this also need the water, because it's a here pollination occur by the water. So it becomes an incorrect option. Again water is required. Next is the Pisum or maize. So if we'll see the Pisum, firstly we will see the Pisum and then we will see the maize. In the case of the Pisum, it is a Pisum stiva or pea plant. It is a bisexual plant. That plant is the bisexual. It means male and female flower, they are present on the same plant. So it means their self-pollination occur. Any kind of pollinating agent or water that is not required, that is self-pollination occur. So fertilization, that doesn't need the water. So that is case of Pisum. Now we will see about the maize also. So in case of maize is a plant. Here stamens, their stamens are feathery stamens. They are having the light, their stigma is the feathery and hairy, so that they catch the pollens, and pollens are very lightweight. So in this way, in case of the maize, pollination occur by the means of the wind. Here wind act as a pollination, that is the anemophily. Here anemophily occur. Similar, here we have seen Vallisneria, here hydrophily occur because pollination occur by means of water. Here in case of maize, pollination occur by means of wind. So again wind is the agent, no water is required. So in both these cases no water is required. So we can say that it becomes a correct option. Option D is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.